have the hiccups though. Let's see if it'll work out. Okay. Sorry. Okay. 1 second. It's a scar. Yep. Well, this is bad. Hi, Bunny. You don't have hiccups, do you? Oh, hi. Bye.